Assalamu alaikum everyone. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. My name is Muhammad Amar Tahir. As you all know, computers are the basic need of everyone in society. And to enable our students to dive into the world of technology, H&D computing is being offered by Nikon. Before moving forward to H&D computing, let me tell you first why choose Nikon for H&D. Nikon is the first institute in Pakistan to have an affiliation for HEC. They have highly qualified faculty. They're providing the best environment for the practical studies, promoting students over different platforms to make them an entrepreneur and to build self-confidence so that they can emerge as an impartial personality. Now back to Pavilion. Why choose H&D Computing? H&D Computing focuses on professional skills within the IT industry. This course aims you to provide with a range of practical skills and knowledge to enable you to work in a variety of positions. You will develop technical skills, personal qualities, and attribute essentials for successful performance in practical life. You will study up-to-date topics such as programming, web development, system development process. As I have told you about H&D Computing, now let me tell you that I am also the student of H&D Computing, and I have found the environment and teaching faculty facilities on the other level. So I would like to suggest all of my students to get enrolled in H&D and take their career to the next level. Thank you.